Class 10. English Grammar Essay Writing. 05 Previous Year Solved Question Papers. Year-wise 2019 to 2024. All previous year's solutions in one short video. Punctuality. HSLC 2019. Punctuality means being on time for appointments, classes, and other commitments. It is an important quality that shows respect for others and helps us manage our time effectively. Being punctual helps us start our day smoothly and avoid last-minute stress. For example, arriving on time for school or work ensures that we don't miss important instructions and can participate fully in activities. It also helps build a good reputation and trust with teachers, employers, and friends. When we are punctual, we show that we value other people's time and are responsible. It also helps us complete tasks efficiently and meet deadlines. In contrast, being late can cause problems and disrupt plans. It may also create a negative impression and affect relationships. In conclusion, punctuality is a key to success and helps us lead a well-organized and respectful life. Your favorite hero. HSLC 2019. My favorite hero is Mahatma Gandhi. He is known for his role in leading India to independence through peaceful means. Gandhi's life and work inspire me because he showed how non-violence and truth can bring about change. Gandhi believed in solving problems without violence. He led various movements like the Salt March, where he walked 240 miles to protest against British salt taxes. His dedication to his principles and his ability to inspire millions of people with his message of peace and equality make him a true hero. Apart from his political achievements, Gandhi's simple lifestyle and his commitment to helping others are qualities I admire. He lived a life of humility and worked tirelessly for the betterment of society. In conclusion, Mahatma Gandhi is my favorite hero because of his courage, his commitment to non-violence, and his unwavering dedication to justice and equality. Traveling as a part of education. HSLC 2020. Traveling is an important part of education that helps us learn in a different way. It offers experiences that go beyond what we read in books and helps us understand the world better. When we travel, we visit new places and meet different people. This exposure teaches us about various cultures, traditions, and lifestyles. For example, visiting historical sites helps us learn about history in a more engaging way than just reading about it. Traveling also improves our practical skills. We learn to navigate new environments, solve problems, and adapt to different situations. These experiences build confidence and independence. Additionally, traveling often inspires us and broadens our horizons. It helps us develop a global perspective and appreciate diversity. In conclusion, traveling is a valuable part of education that enriches our learning and personal growth. It provides real-life lessons that books alone cannot offer. Obedience to parents. HSLC 2021. Obedience to parents is an important value that helps maintain harmony in the family and shows respect for their guidance. Parents are usually experienced and have our best interests at heart. Listening to them and following their advice can help us make better decisions and avoid mistakes. Being obedient means following rules and instructions set by our parents, whether it's about our studies, daily chores, or personal behavior. It also involves showing respect and understanding, even when we may not fully agree with them. Obeying parents helps build a strong and trusting relationship between us and them. It teaches us discipline and responsibility, which are important for our future. In conclusion, obedience to parents is a key part of family life. It helps us grow into responsible and respectful individuals, making our family life smoother and more supportive. COVID-19. HSLC 2021. COVID-19 is a disease caused by the coronavirus that started spreading around the world in late 2019. It has affected millions of people and changed the way we live. The disease spreads mainly through tiny droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, people have been asked to wear masks, wash their hands regularly, and practice social distancing. Schools, businesses, and public places had to close or adjust their operations to keep people safe. Many people started working and learning from home to avoid getting sick. Vaccines were developed to protect against COVID-19, and getting vaccinated has become an important way to reduce the risk of serious illness. Although the pandemic has been challenging, it has also shown us the importance of taking care of our health and following safety guidelines. In conclusion, COVID-19 has had a big impact on our lives, and staying safe and healthy is crucial during this time. Spring season in Assam. HSLC 2021. Spring is a beautiful season in Assam, coming after the cold winter and before the hot summer. It usually starts in March and lasts until May. During this time, the weather becomes pleasant and warm, making it a wonderful period to enjoy the outdoors. In spring, Assam's landscape transforms into a vibrant mix of colors. The flowers bloom, and trees get fresh green leaves. Orchards and gardens are filled with fragrant blossoms like tea flowers and various local plants. This is also the time when many festivals, such as Rangoli Bihu, are celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm. Farmers begin preparing their fields for new crops, and the environment becomes lively with the sounds of birds and insects. The clear skies and gentle breezes make spring a perfect time for picnics and outdoor activities. In conclusion, spring in Assam is a season of beauty and renewal, bringing happiness and a fresh start to nature and people alike. A rainy day. HSLC 2023. A rainy day can be both refreshing and cozy. When it rains, the sky is filled with dark clouds, and the sound of raindrops falling creates a soothing atmosphere. The temperature usually cools down, making it a pleasant change from the heat. On a rainy day, the streets and gardens become wet, and puddles form on the ground. The rain washes away dust and leaves everything looking clean and fresh. It is a great time to stay indoors and enjoy indoor activities like reading a book, watching movies, or playing games with family. Rainy days also offer a chance to relax and listen to the rhythmic sound of rain, which can be very calming. For farmers, rain is important as it helps crops grow and ensures a good harvest. In conclusion, a rainy day brings a sense of peace and provides an opportunity to enjoy simple pleasures and appreciate the beauty of nature. Natural resources. HSLC 2024. Natural resources are materials provided by nature that we use in our daily lives. They include things like water, air, minerals, plants, and animals. These resources are essential for our survival and well-being. Water is crucial for drinking, cooking, and agriculture. Without it, life would be impossible. Air provides the oxygen we breathe, which is necessary for living. Minerals, such as coal and iron, are used in industry and construction. Plants give us food, medicines, and materials for clothing and shelter. Animals provide us with meat, milk, and other products. It is important to use natural resources wisely and conserve them. Overusing or polluting these resources can lead to shortages and environmental problems. By recycling, reducing waste, and protecting natural habitats, we can ensure that these resources remain available for future generations. In conclusion, natural resources are vital for life, and it is our responsibility to manage them carefully and sustainably. Outdoor games. HSLC 2024. Outdoor games are a fun and healthy way to spend time outside. They help us stay active, build teamwork skills, and enjoy nature. Popular outdoor games include cricket, football, badminton, and basketball. Playing outdoor games keeps us fit and strong. Running, jumping, and other physical activities help improve our fitness and health. These games also teach important life skills such as cooperation and communication, as players work together to achieve a common goal. Outdoor games provide a great way to relax and have fun with friends and family. Whether it's a friendly match in the park or a competitive game in a sports field, these activities bring people together and create lasting memories. In conclusion, outdoor games are not only enjoyable but also beneficial for our physical and social development. They are an excellent way to balance the time spent indoors with active and engaging experiences outside. Your favorite book? HSLC 2024. My favorite book is Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling. This book is the first in the famous Harry Potter series and has captivated readers of all ages with its magical world. The story follows a young boy named Harry Potter who discovers that he is a wizard on his 11th birthday. He attends Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, where he makes new friends and learns about magic. The book is full of exciting adventures, mysterious characters, and important lessons about friendship and bravery. What I love most about this book is its imaginative setting and the way it transports readers to a world full of wonder. The characters are relatable and the story is both thrilling and heartwarming. In conclusion, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone is my favorite book because it combines magic, adventure, and valuable life lessons in a way that keeps me entertained and inspired.